You guys notice this weird puffing thing she's doing? Look at this. It's feeding her baby food. She does this a lot. I was wondering if this was something to worry about, because just one more thing I gotta worry about, great, you know? Right, she puffs. You can see her doing it. She kind of likes to do her thing like that. Whenever she eats baby food, I've never seen her do it when she eats solid food, just baby food. So, oh, I'm sorry, baby. You can see that she's having trouble breathing, it looks like. Might be an upper respiratory infection, so I'm a little worried about it. That's why I'm kind of posting it. She makes a faint clicking noise. I don't know if you can hear it. Let's see. Do it. Do it. Do your clicking. There you go. Come on. Do your click. Oh, she does click sometimes. Like a little puff is like... When she does it, it's weird. Tell me what y'all think about this, because it's kind of creeped me out a little bit, and I hope she's okay.